Want more control over your WordPress site? Let's learn how to edit HTML so you can customize layouts, embed content, or tweak your design like a pro. In this video, I will show you how to edit HTML code in WordPress. So to get started, go ahead and open WordPress and then head over into the page where you have an HTML code that you want to edit. Now, once you're on the page, go ahead and hover your mouse at the top right of your screen at the right side of the save button. Click on it and then set this to code editor. So this will allow you to open the code editor of your page. So this is basically the HTML file of the specific page. So you can go ahead and add more things into this page. So for example, I want to add a paragraph that says hello world. I'll simply enter the code right into this section, and then after I have done that, I'll need to hover the mouse again into the three dots. Click on Visual Editor, and this will allow me to view the changes I've made on the HTML file code of my WordPress website. Editing HTML in WordPress gives you creative freedom and technical control. Whether you're adding a button or building a custom layout, now you know how. Like this tutorial, hit subscribe, and let's keep building smarter websites together.